Hello, everybody. I'm Olli Planting from InfraKit, and I have a presentation for you about the situational awareness in infra projects. I work in the InfraKit services team as a development and project manager, and I have a degree of civil engineering from the bachelor's program from Oulu, and I've been working at the infra construction and design field for about 10 years now. And I have experience from land surveying, being a construction engineer, leading designer, and BIM coordinator and development manager. I've been working in the design and construction in a big highway projects, in wind farm projects, and also in the mining industry. My specialization is the collaboration, quality, and data management in large infra construction projects. And now at InfraKit, I'm developing work processes and infra digitalization with our Finnish and European infra design and construction customers. So I've been working from owner's point of view and also with contractor, as also with the designer point of view at InfraKit. So many different sides from there. If we think about today's challenges with the situational awareness, we have global project personnel. On a big projects, we have multiple countries that work together in the same project. For example, wind farm projects, the owner can come from France, the main contractor can come from Norway, and subcontractors can come from all around the Europe, and there can be consultants from Germany or from Poland. So all the project personnel needs to have the situational awareness of the project. Also, as we know, the pandemic situation has driven people homes and work afar. So our work methods during the pandemic has changed a lot, and this gives all of us a new situation where we need to have information from the site to our homes. So we need to have the situational awareness from far away of the project. Also, today's problem is that the information is a huge amount of data. So the information management is crucial in the projects. We have different formats from different sources. We have different designs, different revisions of the designs. We get information data from the site, and also we need to manage this somehow. We need to have the control of the situation and know what files are the new ones, what should we use in the construction, and what information we need to give to other people, and who needs to check all the drawings, etc. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and the amount of information is overwhelming sometimes. Also, if we combine these three stuff I talked to you about before, we still need the right tools for the job. We need to have situational awareness from the owner's point of view, from the designer's point of view, or the contractor's point of view, or the consultants. So there's a lot of different people working at from the offices and from the different people from the project also. So at the site there can be work machine drivers, and there can be site engineers and project personnel that have different needs for the situational awareness. So we need to have those points taken out also. So what actually we do at InfraKit, so what possibilities we have to increase the situational awareness of the project. The drone technology has developed a lot, and this gives us a lot of possibilities to increase the situational awareness of the project. For example, drones can take ortho photos and point clouds, and also we can use VMS and VMTS interface to connect, for example, if the cities have open source information, we can take those from the VMS interface and combine those to the InfraKit and have those, for example, aerial maps or zoning information. So we can combine those information with the designs to make it more effective and more informational. Also, from the site, we can take photos and 360 photos, and now also with the drones, we can have aerial photos that gives a very good oversight of what's going on at the site. And also, we can have reports made from the site. For example, environment, health and safety reports, or whatever that is required to do by the report. We don't need to print out paper anymore just so we can fill the boxes and do the signing and then scan it again and then send it to the InfraKit or whatever. We can do it from the InfraKit field, from our handheld devices, from the smartphones and tablets, and we can do the digital signing for it, and we can upload it straight to InfraKit. So we don't need to do anymore this paper printing and scanning anymore. Also, we get the real-time data from the site. So we get information from the trucks and the mass haul, how much gravel we have driven from place A to the B, or information of the excavators at site. Have they constructed the bottom layer yet? And also we get the as-built points that proves the exact quality of the excavation. So we can combine those data and use those for the situational awareness of the construction. Also, we get a lot of statistics from our work machines and time schedules and mass haul, and we can combine those for the remote project monitoring and work planning. So we can check if we are working in the time schedule, or are we ahead of ourselves, or are we falling behind. So we can think about the different ways to work when we have this information with us. So with InfraKit, we take data and we make it in a visual form in the project bank, and also in 2D and 3D, and we give it to the people and we give it to the technology in use. So people in the project are getting the same information, everyone. So there is no situation that someone gets fallen behind from some crucial information or the files or the data. And also we combine these with the technology in use, and we have the trucks, and we have the work machines, and we have the surveying equipment, we have the drone technology. And the information and data those develop and give, we move it back to the InfraKit so the people can also see and have the situational awareness from this machinery too. So if we think about InfraKit as an InfraPim construction environment, we have the models, drawings, and documents. So we can inspect those in 2D and 3D. We have the surveying solutions. So we can go in the design and construction phase with our surveying equipment and do the surveying and get the information to the InfraKit, and from there we can share it to the people in need. For example, from the site we do the surveying and we share it to the designers so they can do some revisions for their designs. Also, we have the drone technology for the orthophotos, point clouds, and aerial pictures. And also we have the models, drawings, and documents for the site to use. So we can move those information to the work machines, and they can construct with those models and use those maps for the machine control systems and make construction more effectively and more accurately. And also we get the real-time project view and quality control throughout the project from all this information I mentioned before, and we get a good oversight of what's going on in the project. So to sum this up, InfraKit benefits. InfraKit enables easier execution and reporting of work. So it helps you in the everyday work, and it also gives you the information of what's going on at the site. So this actually benefits both contractor and the owner, because everyone knows what's happening and is it going well, or is there something going on that we should inspect about more. Also, we get the information about the project and progress that can be shared and received in real time. So if we notice some problems with the construction, we get the information in real time and we can act quickly and do the changes so that we don't do much of useless work, so that we don't have to do it again afterwards when we notice that, oh no, this went bad because we didn't have the information of what's going on. And with this all, the projects are completed faster and with better quality and reduced costs. So we get a lot of benefits for using InfraKit at the design and construction phase for all the participants, whether you were the owner or the designer or the contractor. So this was my very brief presentation of the situational awareness in infra projects. So thank you very much for listening. And if you have any questions or you want to know more of our product, please contact me or anyone in the InfraKit, and we will help you out, and we can discuss more about the InfraKit. How could we help you out with your projects? Thank you very much.